Going back to uncertainty, we have to admit that in these days, uncertainty is not a value. People want to be sure about everything. People don't accept our fragility, don't accept our mortality. So how can we, because we have to admit that our general professions, generalist professions are a kind of cultural thing in this moment. So what's our future in this world?
Our future as generalists, we are the most important people. As generalists, really, we're the only people who are prepared to take this on. I think we have to lead with this, because the specialists are all involved in trying to stop people dying of the diseases in their specialty. They don't care what else they die of, as long as a cardiologist doesn't mind if you get cancer, because that's not their problem. They just want you to stop dying of heart disease. So it's up to us, and we have to start insisting in the evidence. Do not talk to me about disease-specific mortality, as that guy was earlier on today. Talk to me about all-cause mortality. For me, there is no point in stopping me dying of cancer if I'm going to die of heart disease, or at the same time. Why change the description on the death certificate if you can't change the date? So it has to be us, because we integrate the whole view. And we tell ourselves all the time that people want certainty. But if we really talk to people, they know they can't have certainty. They tell you they want certainty, but they know they can't have it. It's a dream to have certainty. None of us knows what will happen to us tomorrow, let alone next month, next year. And the idea that you can have a test today that'll stop terrible things happening to you. Terrible things happen to people in an entirely random way far too often. So I think the more we believe that medicine is the answer to really serious problems of how to live our lives, then we don't deal with the serious problems of how to live our lives. Does that make sense?